Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the Python Complete course. In this video, we're going to talk about the introduction of a Python and the uses and available jobs are currently available for Python developer and also characteristics of a Python application that Python developers can build and the reason why to learn Python. And at the end, we are going to target that audience. For jumping over to the main point, make sure to subscribe this channel. It will motivate us for creating more useful content for you. So let's get started. Today, Python is one of the most popular programming language. Although it is a general purpose language, it is used in various areas of applications such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, web development, and many more. This Python tutorial has been created for beginners to help them understanding the basic to advanced concept of a Python programming language. After completing this tutorial, you will find yourself at the great level of experience in Python, from where you can take yourself to the next level to become a world-class software engineer. And the question is here, why to learn Python? Python is consistently rated as one of the world's most popular programming language, easy to learn. So if you are starting to learn any programming language, the Python would be your great choice. Today, various school, college, and universities are teaching Python as their primary programming language. There are many other good reasons which makes Python as a top choice of a programmers. Python is an open source, which means it's available free to cost and it's simple to learn. Python is versatile and can be used to create many different things. It has a powerful development libraries include AI. Python is much in demand and ensure a high salary. Today, Python is a very high in demand and all major companies are looking for great Python programmers to develop websites, software components, and applications or to work with the data science AI technologies. When we are developing this tutorial in 2014, there is a high storage of a Python programmers where it has market demand more number of Python developers due to its application in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and etc. Here is a list of all companies using Python. To name a few big companies are Python is a must for a student and working for professionals to become a great software engineers, especially when they are working in a web development demand. I will list down some of the key advantages of learning Python. Python is interpreted. Python is processed at a runtime by interpreter. You do not need to compile your program before executing it. This is similar to Perl and PHP. Python is interactive. You can actually sit at the Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. Python is object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented style or technique of programming that encapsulates code with an object. Python is a great language for the beginner level programmers and support the development of a wide range of applications from simple text processing to worldwide web browser. If you know Python nicely, then you have a great career ahead. Here are just a few of a career options where Python is a key skill. Game development, web designer, full stack developer, machine learning, data scientist, data analyst, data engineer, software engineer, and many more other roles. Following are important characteristics of a Python programming. It supports functional and structured programming method as well as OOP. It can be used as a scripting language or can be compiled to bitcode for building large application. It provides a very high dynamic data types and supports dynamic type checking. It supports automatic garbage collection. It can be easily integrated with C, C++, and Java. The latest release of Python while creating this video is Python 3. As mentioned before, Python is one of the most widely used language over the web. I'm going to list a few of them. Python is easy to learn. Python has a few keyword, simple structure, and a clearly defined syntax. This allows the student to pick up the language quickly. Python code is more clearly defined and visible to the eyes. Python's source code is fairly easy to maintain. Python's bulk of a library is very portable and cross-platform compatible on Windows, Unix, Linux, and many more. Python has a support for an interactive mode which allows interactive testing and debugging snips of support code. Python can run on a wide variety of hardware platforms and has the same interface on all platforms. You can add low-level modules to the Python interpreter. These modules enables programmers to add or customize their tools to be more efficient. Python provides interface to all major commercial databases. Python supports GUI application that can be created and ported to many system calls, libraries, and Windows systems, such as Windows, Unix, and many more. Python provides a better structure and support for large programs than shell scripting. This tutorial has been prepared for our beginners to help them understand the basics to advanced concept of Python programming language. After completing this tutorial, you will find yourself at the great level experts in Python language, from where you can take yourself to the next level. So that's it. Hope you understand until this point. In next video, we will go through the process of installation of a Python in operating system. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. It will motivate us for creating more useful content.